Hello? Okay, that's not my intro. I fucked that up. Hello everybody, my name is Ian Stevens and welcome back to Shocking Farmers. Anyways, why is my head... Why do I have the head of a cow? Face, hair, shovel, hat. Can I change this please? Okay, bro, what's that cow thing anyway? Oh my god, I want that. I want that too. But where's the cow head? Okay, let's go with the, let's see. We'll go with the chicken hat, I guess. Okay, what's the shovel? 40-50 kills. Oh, we're in the Santa hat. Okay. Santa hat. Here we go. Okay. Well played. We'll just find a match, I guess. Roadside free for all. Did you know you run faster when you hook your shovel? Shit, man. I don't think my tiny brain can comprehend that one. Okay, am I just in a room with bots? Yeah, it's mostly bots. But I don't care. I'm gonna win this thing if it kills me. Got one, dude. Okay. Anyone down here? Huh. What the hell just happened? Okay, ooh, booze. I want the booze. When it comes to booze, you never trick me. I hit him once. I got raped. I was still alive. Okay, I do not like the boss all that much. Oh, I saw the gun in the fucking plant. Beat down Sparky Pie. Okay, I want to see you. Oh my god. You fucker. I better not have lost my tomato plant. And if I did, I'm gonna race it. Wow, okay. Fuck you too, street rat. Oh, here's another one. Wait, this is not a kid. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? There's a fucking flamethrower now? A chili thrower? I did not even know that. And the game did just update last night for me. So they might have added that plant. That's clever. I'm sucking today. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm not prepared. Okay, what's this? Is this another chili thrower? It is. Awesome. Are there any other new plants? What's over here? What is this? Shocking. It's shrinking. Oh, there's a dude up there. I'm gonna get him. Well, he's burning to death. What the? My kills and deaths are... I'm in last place. What the hell is happening to me today? I'm taking this launcher, this tomato, raw meat, sorry, raw tomato launcher. You see the shotgun growing in there? You stay away from me, son. Oh, what? He's just chasing me! Back away! I have a shovel! Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'm still alive! I am still alive. Hey, Booze. I'm just gonna sit here, sit inside on the toilet. I guess. Okay. I don't even see the pea stall. Where is the pea? Oh, there it is. That's clever. I think these bots are hacking. Hey, what's their difficulty anyway? Probably like expert or something. Whoever made this lobby, you suck. I'm dead. I am still alive. I'm not. There we go. The frame rate of this game can be bad sometimes. Okay, I need more ammo for my shove. What is this? The sniper radius rifle. Okay, I'm just gonna run up and out of here. I'm just gonna run up to the roof of the house. I don't know where I'm going. Doodly doo. Doodly doo, motherfuckers. Okay.
Minute left to go.
Well, that sucked. I'll take the tornado launcher. Where's my score at? I'm 5th place.
You only got 30 seconds left.
Maybe I should just create my own lobby, because right now I'm just sucking. See what I mean? It's a bunch of bullshit. Gee, you think? I like the chicken mode better. There's room Cobb of Duty. Cobb of Duty. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just return to the lobby. Yes. It does that. It freezes sometimes. So okay. Let's create a room. Mode. Jug or not. Let's make it kinda. Alright. I don't even know what the juggernaut mode is. But these are the plants grow faster in the sun of the building shape. No way, really? I had to know! I probably have to change my Steam name before I do this. Actually, no. You guys are fine with me recording anything.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this is a 7-minute. Oh! So it's like an actual juggernaut. I don't even know what weapon this dude had. Oh, he's got an axe! I dealt damage to him. Um. I am out of him. I'm sorry, Rob. I'm sorry. Ah! Okay, okay. I'm definitely sorry now. I'm real sorry. Don't kill me. Okay, any plants in here? Ooh, booze. Now I know why they're called. Now I know why they're called shotgun farmers. Ha 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 ha. There's, you know, the booze and the shotgun. You know, fuck. I'm not. Don't even question it. Ooh, chili flamethrower. Chili thrower. I love how they actually call it the chili thrower. What's next? Ow! That bastard! Oh, again, Rob asked, became the Juggernaut. I want to be the Juggernaut, damn it! Why can I not be the what was that? Okay, I'm gonna take the tomato. Okay, that's a chili thrower again. I'm just yellow pitching this whole thing. Damn it. Wait, what? That's not even the Juggernaut. So why did that fuck kill me? Okay. Chili thrower. Wait, I want to pick the carrot launcher because that is supposedly the most powerful. I mean the carrot rocket launcher. So I just think, you know, climb this, and now I am going to blow it up. Where is ice? Oh, okay. Why are they killing me? Run this. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. I think I see what to do now. Or what this game is about. One person becomes the Juggernaut. And whoever kills the Juggernaut gets the point. Okay, I need a sniper. Okay, here it is. Hi, Kyle, I'm gonna pet you now. Shut up. Okay, so the Juggernaut over there. The 92 Demon. Why the hell am I not performing with the Juggernaut? Yeah, fuck yeah. I just sniped that dude. Right in the face. I assassinated Ice. That dick.
Better hurry. Only a minute left.
Oh, what? Oh, Jesus, there's a minute left for this. I want to be the Juggernaut. Why am I not the Juggernaut? I hate my life.
You only got 30 seconds left.
Gee, you think? Oh, fuck you! I don't know why I do this because I'm trying to get spots here. See what I mean? The Waffles. See what I mean by told you guys what? I guess someone joined. Roadside Jug Aeronaut. This bitch better make me the Juggernaut this time because I haven't been the Juggernaut yet. What time is it? 12:30? 12:23. I did not know that. You can heal your teammates by shooting them with a pistol. Oh, it's D-Man left. Well, I got chopped by the fucking ass. Hey, is that a real player? No, it's not. It's a bot. I'm gonna wait for the tomato launcher to come up. Okay, fuck it. One bullet should be enough to finish this dick. Maybe. Maybe said the baby. Alright, this will probably be the final game that I do of this in this episode. So I'm not too sure. Alright, let's return to the lobby. Yes. Because I want to find a game. I've been doing this for 19 minutes. Not nearly as not long enough. I joined the same damn thing. Oh. Okay, so it's a different lobby. Holy hell. Frame rate. I hate you, Finn! Although he can't hear me. Because I'm the only fucking... Oh, Trippy Jester's a real... I think Trippy Jester's a real person. He has to be. I probably said stuff in the chat to see you. He might not be a bot because nope, he's not a bot. Awesome. Finally, a real player on my YouTube channel. I'm the Juggernaut. Yeah. I am definitely gonna suck. So we have a real player. His name is Trippy Jester. It's the first. I think this might be the only lobby that I've actually seen a real player. Oh, fuck. Ben. Hey. I am the Juggernaut. Kneel before the power of the Juggernaut. I am absolutely sucking as the Juggernaut. You can barely see anything with this fat head on your head. Fat hat on your head. That's what the tits. Someone else killed someone else. Holy crap, that's the loudest horn. Hey now. Damn it. As a YouTuber, it's my duty to inform people that I am recording for YouTube and also to compliment them, make them feel good about themselves. I burned him the whole time. This is a pistol. It's just peas. See? Those are not. That's a big P. Anyway, so mad cow hunter. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna use my shovel to kill some monster. Fuck me. I finished. Did you see how well I handled that? That was absolutely incredible. skin off your teeth. Kill a farmer when you only have 1 health. Awesome, I actually did that achievement. Nice. Okay, now I have to grab a tomato launcher.
Only a minute later.
1 minute left. Now I just shoot it. Okay, I probably should not have wasted all that ammo, but I got a second one right here. I'm in second place with a score of 800.
30 seconds left.
Ah, damn it! I didn't become the juggernaut. Alright, I think that just about does it for this episode of Shotgun Farmers. So yeah, that is Shotgun Farmers Juggernaut. I didn't even know there was a new weapon. It's called the chili thrower, which is like a flamethrower basically, because it's a chili. Anyways, I'm on time for this episode. I'm gonna leave it at that. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What did you think about the new weapon? I didn't even know there was a new weapon until I discovered it in the game. But it's actually pretty cool to have a weapon, have a new weapon on Shotgun Farmers. I wonder what they're gonna come up with next. Maybe a water gun. Also, I have started what I'm calling the Gmod squad, which is the Gary's Mod squad basically, but we're still in the process of changing up, like figuring out our team. So I just hope that I can get, and I'm even gonna see if Twisted Dragon doing this. 1 second, I'm gonna talk to him right now. So far I have 4 people, including myself. But anyways, once again, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, I'm looking forward to the next episode of Shotgun Farmers. I don't even know when that will be.